Morning, welcome to eRepair. So today I just want to cover off one of the most common issues that I have with iPhones, and I don't think people quite realise how simple it is to fix. So this phone has come in, it is not charging, so say I've been asked to fit a new charge port on it. Now, on first glance, I'll just plug this in, it doesn't look like it is. But I don't know if you can see, but on here, the cable is not quite connected. It's probably got a 3 or 4 millimeter gap between it and the phone. And I see people bending the cables at the wrong angles and all sorts. Now, just on experience alone, I can tell you that this is a jammed up charge port. Now, the best thing I found to do this is something pointy. A pair of tweezers is normally the way forward, but you've got to be sort of gentle because you don't want to bend any pins. But really, you just need to go digging in here. And this is going to sound awful, but if you look, that is the amount of gunk and fluff that is in the bottom of this port. So I don't charge for this. It's just one of those things that occasionally you get, and you've sort of, I've already said to the customer, have you got a cocktail stick or something? Can you give it a bit of a poke? And usually that's all it will be. And I bet you now, the cable is now sitting absolutely flush with the phone. And in a second, we should see a charge symbol on the screen, hopefully. Let's just give it a... There you go. You can just see it there. So there is a charge symbol on this phone. So in essence, if you get this, before you go contacting a repairer or asking someone to replace your charge port because your phone's not charging, get something pointy, a pin or a cocktail stick, preferably something non-metallic if you've got something non-metallic, and just give the bottom of the port a scrape. And 9 times out of 10, you will find that will fix your problem and you won't need to go to a repairer and it won't cost you anything. So yeah, that's my top tip for today. So yeah, if this video has been useful to you, it saved you some money repairing your phone, then please drop us a comment, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and hopefully it'll be something good that you'll get out of it. Okay, thank you very much.